In this video, you'll learn how to schedule game sessions in advance, so your trivia starts automatically at the right time. Perfect for recurring events or planning ahead. You'll need a saved game ready to go. If you want to schedule on a device, make sure it's already paired to your account. Go to the Games tab and find the game you want to schedule. Click either Schedule or Go Live, then select Schedule instead of starting immediately. This opens the scheduling options. First, choose when the session starts. Select the date and time using the picker. The time zone shown matches your account settings, so what you see is your local time. Double check this before confirming, especially if you're scheduling for players in different time zones. Next, decide where the game will run. Select Web if players will join from their phones, desktops, or tablets using a game code. Select device if you want the game displayed on a paired Roku or Fire TV. Device sessions still let players join from their own devices, but the game also appears on the big screen. If you choose device, select which paired device will display the game from the drop-down. If everyone will be in the same room watching a device, enable the Hide Questions on Mobile toggle. This shows only the answer choices on players' phones. Everyone looks at the TV for the question and uses their phone just to answer. Now, set a lobby countdown. This gives players time to join before the game starts. Once the scheduled time arrives, the lobby opens and the countdown begins. When it ends, the game starts automatically. Click Schedule Session to confirm. Here's what happens when your scheduled time arrives. The session automatically transitions from scheduled to live. The lobby countdown begins, and players can join at splitcast.games using the game code. On a device session, the code and QR code appear right on the Roku or Fire TV display, making it easy for players in the room to join. You can also click Copy Link to share the direct join URL ahead of time. Click Done when you're finished. Review your settings, game, destination, date, time, and session options. You'll see a scheduled indicator next to the game in your dashboard. The session will start automatically at the time you set. No need to be at your computer. Common issue. Device unavailable when scheduling? That device may already have a session scheduled at that time. Choose a different time slot or pick another device. You can check existing schedules in the Manage Schedules section. We'll cover that in the next video. You've scheduled a game session with your preferred settings to start automatically at a specific date and time. Next, we'll cover managing schedules, how to edit, reschedule, or cancel sessions you've already planned.